Imagine a world where the road beneath you is alive, watching over every turn you take. Right now, families across the globe are losing loved ones to a hidden epidemic, the crumbling infrastructure beneath our wheels. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet rural town, no one is safe from the dangers of a broken road. We are here to change that narrative forever. Introducing PatchBot AI, the AI powered road safety revolution. We've built an intelligent infrastructure guardian that shifts road maintenance from reactive to predictive, identifying hazards before they become fatal. Our system is simple yet powerful. We use dash cams and orange edge computing to run a Python detection model. With a 97% accuracy, PatchBot detects geotags and classifies potholes in real time as vehicles move, providing a cost effective solution. Authorities receive actionable insights via a cloud platform. Our four-level security system prioritizes repairs from critical immediate actions to routine maintenance. Potholes are a worldwide crisis, stalling progress and claiming lives on every continent. Our ultimate goal is zero preventable pothole related deaths. Choose PatchBot and let's build a future where every road is a safe passage home.